Hello guys, in this video we will learn how to use custom font in SwiftUI. You can download font from Apple developer site or Google developer site. Google developer site is open source and free. You can get this link from our video description. I just going to be use Joost font. Click this and get more detail about this font. You can see the different type of font style and font license, and you can download font right here. After downloading your font, you can click and drag to your font to your project file. This is our font. I just going to be drag this folder to our project. It will ask you dialog like this: copy item if needed, create group, and this is our project file. Then click done button. Your font will be added in this font directory. After adding this font, second step, you need to add this font name in our info.plist file. Just click this plus button and type font provided by application and press enter. We are using third-party font, so to use third-party fonts we need to mention that file name here. Click this one and again click here. You will copy this name and paste this here. Likewise, you have to add all the file name one by one. To select all, Command A. To copy, Command C. To paste, double click and Command V and press enter button. Now we added these two font in our info.plist file. Then we're just going to be create simple text view in our project. SwiftUI.io.com. Resume here. This is default font. I just going to be add custom font here. To make custom font, just type font custom, your font name here and your font size here. Just I am going to be add my font name JOST BOLD. This is my font name and I am going to be make this font size as 35 and resume here. This is my custom font. I just copy this one and paste here. I'm changing this second font as Joost font regular. Here we should not use extension. You can directly use file name and make resume. This is our regular font. So we done custom font in our project. I just show you one more demo. We can also use system font. To use system font, just type system and size name. Just mention your size 35 and your font name design dot. There are some default font available in our system. You can use this one too. This is system font. These two are custom font which we download from Google site and we added this here, and we added this one to our info.plist file. After adding here, you can use this font name in your file.